Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today in this video, we will create a basic project using HTML, CSS and JavaScript for beginners only. Those who are beginners for web development course, so this video only for them. Okay, so you can see this. I have created a text. My text is this one, and here I use a image of heart, and you can see this all this thing is ups and downs because I have applied an animation. Okay, using animation, it is not in it is ups and downs. Okay, like bounce type. Okay, because this is ups and downs, your heart is ups and downs happen. Okay, and this text is also ups and downs occur here. Okay, because here I apply animation. Okay guys, so I will create. I open my Visual Studio Code and I write here code. Okay, so this is my folder name. When I open folder, so this one I have created a folder, so I open here. Okay, this is my HTML file, CSS file and JS file. Okay, so guys, before proceeding further, make sure to subscribe my channel and turn on the bell icon if you have not subscribed yet. And without any further delay, let's start. So here I have created this index.html file and click enter button. Okay, this all basic code comes here inside your index.html, and inside this I will give the link for JavaScript file and CSS file inside your index.html. So here I give the link of my CSS file. My CSS file name is style.css. Okay, or inside your body, you can write here your give the link for JS file. So script script file name is script.js. Okay, in this way I give two link, one for CSS and JS. Okay, so inside the body I am writing my text line. So first I will create here um, div class is equal to container. Inside the div I will write here my text line. You can write here any text. Okay, whatever comes in your mind. Okay, so inside the div container I am writing here. I give the heading I love you. Okay, so here you can click on go live, then you can run your code on your browser. Here you can see the simple text. Okay, because I am not apply any CSS, any animation or any JavaScript code, so you can, so it is very simple way. guys, I will understand you each and everything whatever I am doing here. After creating this project, I will, at the end of the video, I will explain you overall code. Okay, now I am going to apply CSS. So always remember that class when you apply CSS, for class you use dot, and for ID you use surf. Okay, so I will show you how to use. So first is container inside the class, so I use here dot dot container. And I want to show my text in the center, then it will show, it will looks better. So display flags, I will see you in this way, you can see your output with this code also. Finally you can see your output also. Okay, and justify content center, because I want this text line in the center only. You can see this, it come in the center. And align item center, and height, I want to give height. Okay, and guys, here your h1 headline where text is showing here. Okay, but here I use id, I want to apply a color on this text. Okay, so this text inside this id. So id, when you apply css for id, you use first sarf then love text. So I use here, for id I use here sarf. Okay, and then love text, because I want to apply color for my text. Okay, font size, font size text 48 pixel. I want to refresh this page, you can see this font size 48 pixel. So my text is so looking some bigger size, 48 pixel size. And I want my font weight in bold. You can see this, all this thing is populated here, so I can select bold. If I refresh this page, you can see this result. And I want this color in red. So you can see this, guys, this is my text, and it looks a red color. Okay, and alignment in center, everything is good. Now I want to add an image here, heart image. I want to add here. Okay, I will show you how to add image inside your folder in Visual Studio Code, and give the link of that image inside your code, and the image will be show inside your browser. So first, you search on the Google. I think heart image. So you can see this. I am searching for image, and my a lot of image is coming here. Okay, I am searching this image in Google, and a lot of image is coming here. Okay, I want to select one image. Okay, so now I am selecting um, this image. Okay, so save image. Okay, go to save image, and there's a lot of big name. So I want to keep here this name, a small name I want to keep. Okay, I want to save this image in this folder. This is my folder. Okay, and I save this image. Okay, so in this way I have saved my image inside my Visual Studio Code. Okay, because guys, I already told you I will show you each and everything without any skip any videos, because this video is only for beginners. Okay, so this image is coming here. So this image I have saved inside my Visual Studio Code in this folder. Okay, now I am going to give the link inside index.html, image link. Okay, so inside the body, inside a div container, I am giving the link of my image. So image, I am giving the name heart image. My image name is a1.png. So same name you can write here inside the source. You write here a1.png, because my image name is a1.png. Okay, and here I want to apply animation inside the image. So I use here id is equal to heart image. Okay, now check your output. Image is coming or not? refresh your page. Okay, image is not coming here. So where is the mistake I am doing? That's why this image is coming here, but not coming, not showing your image. Only this icon is showing. So let's try to find out our error. Where is error? This image is outside this folder. Okay, this my folder name, and inside VS Code, this folder is, this image is not coming inside this VS Code. So I copy and I give this image inside this folder. So you can see this now. My image is coming inside this folder, VS Code folder. Okay, now I will checking my code. It will come or not. Yeah, now it's coming in this image is coming inside this VS Code. Now we you can check your output. You can see this, guys. My this heart is coming in the output, but it not looks good because I want this heart top of the this text line, and so I want to show this in a column. Okay, so come here and go to CSS and apply CSS for this image. So I already told you ID. When you apply CSS for ID, then you use surf. Okay, the surf heart image. Go to CSS and here use heart. Surf ID I have used now. That's why I use here surf. Okay, okay. And here I want to show this heart with 150 pixel at least. Okay, and always, guys, when you write the code, then go click on this three dot line. Okay, this three dot line, and go to the click on file and go to click on save. Okay, if you are not saved, then your output will be not so in your browser. Okay, so go to file and click on here save. If you don't want to save again and again, then go click on file and click on auto save. Auto save means it will automatically save your code. Okay, without save auto will also. So click on auto save, so you are not do again and again save. It will automatically save your whole code. I'm going to CSS. I am applying width for this heart image, and height I want to give 150 pixel. Okay. Now I am writing my JavaScript code. Guys, you can see this dot line is coming here inside a style.css tab because my code is not saved. Okay, that's why it is showing. So control plus s, now my file is saved. Now I am going to js file and write my JavaScript code. Okay, this one. Here I am create a variable. I am declaring a variable using const. My variable name is text. Here document dot get element by id. Inside here writing here love text. Why it is not save automatically? Auto save. Then I write here text dot add event listener. Click and here function. I am calling here function. I am applying here if else condition. Else I love my family is good one, no? I love my family. This text is good. I'm also changing this name. I love my family. Everyone loves everyone loves his family. So this line is good. Okay. Okay, now check your output and I will explain you this code as well. Refresh. Okay. Okay, you can see this guys here. I love my family. So when I click on here, then I love my family more because I have written here JavaScript code. This is I love my family. Here I called uh, and when the element I click here, then I love my family more is coming. Okay, so how I do this. First one is the in this heading H1. H1 ID is love text. Inside love text, here is text. I love my family. Okay, so ID is I love my family text. ID is I love text. Love text. Okay, so I copy this love text and I call this love text where my text is present. I love my family. So love text I calling here. I bind my JS file in HTML file. Okay, that's why that text line I bind here in JS file. Okay, name is so in this way binding happen. Okay, and here I declare a variable using const. Variable name is text. Okay, and all this binding in HTML using JS is stored inside this text variable. Okay, so I call here text dot add event listener, click and calling this function. Okay, so I attach a add event listener. Okay, add event listener to the love text. Okay, when I click on I love my family, then add event listener is will be called, and when I click on there, so I love my family one time will be called, another time I love my family more will be called. Okay, so when I click on the text, then add event listener function will be execute. Okay, and we check the current text content of the element. Okay, when I click here, okay, then add event listener will be called and it will check the okay, current text it will check. Okay, and when I click here, then next content will be called. So okay, so add event listener is work like that. Okay, when I again click here, then it move to I love my family. So in this way, this create a toggle effect when clicking on the message. Toggle effect means when I click here, then it comes I love my family more. Again I click here, then it return to the previous text I love my family. Okay. So using add event listener, you can write your code. Okay. First is if love text content, we are comparing this I love my family. then it will change to I love my family more. After clicking this, again it will come to I love my family when you click again. Okay, so add event listener will be execute when you click on the text, because we are binding, we are did binding. Okay, now next step is animation. Okay, so how to apply animation? To come to style to CSS file, and here apply your animation. Okay, I want to keep this all this in a column. Okay, so I will write here flag direction column. Okay, it looks better. Now I am going to apply animation. So animation I want to apply on this image and this text. Okay, so first I will apply inside this image. Image ID is heart image, right? So this image ID where I keeping the link, keep the link of image, and that ID is heart image. So come to CSS file, copy this one. Okay, and come to CSS file. ID I already told you that ID you use with sharp. Okay, and here I want to do animation infinite time. मतलब here I will write animation. Hardware is infinite. Because I want this heart will be ups and down infinite times, not one time or two time. It will ups and down happen infinite times by automatically. So for this I use here keyframes and then heartbeat. 0% transform. Okay, now refresh this page. Why is not doing anything? Okay, I will run this again and let's check your output. Nothing is coming. Okay. So now this is my CSS code. Okay, here I write I am I did here animation. Okay, so I want this heart is will be beat infinite times. Okay, so I use here infinite. Okay, so here I inside love text where I love my family is written. So here I use animation heartbeat 1 second infinite. Okay, and infinite times it will ups and down. And here this heartbeat 0.0% transform scale. Um, this heartbeat name I write here inside this animation. Okay, so and this love text is for this text I love my family. Then animation will be infinite times for this text. And for image it is id is heart image. So you can see this in css. This heart image I also apply for css. So animation heartbeat infinite. So this heartbeat I use here keyframes heartbeat. And in this way I am applying here animation. Okay, animation for this text line and animation for this image. Okay, so you can see this my output animation. I love my family. This ups down. This text, your text is ups down, and your image is also ups downs. Okay, if I change here 1 second to 2 second. Okay, let's check output. Um, for image it is 2 second or maybe 4 second. You can see this when I increase the time in place of 1 second I write here 5 second. Then this bounce back taking a time uh, is compared to this text. Okay, it is taking some time, then it ups and down. But this text line I love my family, it is quickly ups and down. But when I increase this time there it's also ups and down, but it takes some time, then it's ups and down. Okay, and when I click here then it change this I love my family, then I love my family more. Okay, and I increase this time to it take time to ups and down. If I increase this time as well, this text line I will increase 5 second, and I refresh this page, then it also takes time. I love my family, it takes time, then it ups, it takes time, then it goes down. Okay, but earlier it is quickly we can see that effect. Now I'm changing 1 second, and this one also 1 second, and I refresh, then it quickly ups and down. Now come to this code and let's try to understand first how will I write this code. This dot container, dot contain inside this dot container, I am writing the text inside this dot container, image also inside this container. So container class is used to center the content vertically and horizontally, ठीक है, on the page using flexbox, ठीक है. Flex using flexbox, it keep the content horizontally and vertically, okay. And this hashtag heart image selected target the image element with id heart image, okay, and set its width, height, and animation, okay. And here animation, we apply the animation, okay, using keyframe, edited keyframes, okay. Edited keyframes rules, using this we can apply the animation. And these keyframes are able to scale the heart image ups and downs, okay. And it is create heartbeat effect, like human heart is beat a lot of time in a day, so same thing, it also produce that effect. And so we apply this animation in image and text using this animation property, okay. And here, okay, okay guys, I hope you like this video. This is very basic HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. So if you like this video, please subscribe this channel, and thanks for watching. I will meet you in the next video.